Project summary: direct total percentage, total costs percentage, and contract value percentage. Here's a helpful tip. In the project summary window, 3 optional columns provide useful project analysis. The DT, TC, and CV percentage flags. The columns may be toggled on or off by clicking these buttons on the ribbon toolbar. Each of these 3 columns allows you to see a percentage-based comparison between that amount and a specific value on the project summary window. Inside of Expert Estimation, DT stands for direct total. With this column turned on, you can see each total displayed in the project summary window, expressed as a percentage of the total direct costs. As you can see here, the total direct cost line in the project summary window will always be 100% of the total direct costs. In the next line down, you can see that the total overhead cost, $110,000, represents 42.31% of the $260,000 of direct costs. The next percentage flag you can display is TC, which stands for total costs. This time the information is compared to the total cost figure. You can see that the total cost line here will always be 100% of the total costs. So this allows you to easily review what the makeup is of the total cost of this project in terms of percentage direct costs and percentage overhead. In our example here, we can see close to a 70-30% split. You can do the same comparison here below for every subtotal displayed in the project summary window, comparing each to the value of total costs. Lastly, CV, which stands for contract value, or project total if you like. In this instance, you're now comparing each one of the subtotals in the project summary window to the contract value. Therefore, the bottom line, the project total, will always be 100%. You can easily see that, for example, margin makes up about 11.5% of the value of this project, costs are about 86%, and so on. You can toggle on or off these optional columns independently of one another. Each of these 3 columns are included in the project summary report, as you can see here. And that is an introduction to 3 helpful project analysis columns in the project summary window and project summary report. For more information, see the knowledge base articles linked below this video. If you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. Contact us on our 24/7 support number or via email. We're happy to help you with ways to improve your workflows and efficiency and to help make your estimating faster and more accurate.